Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're unveiling 5 fascinating facts about ChatGPT that you've likely never heard before. Prepare to be amazed. First up, did you know ChatGPT is a true polyglot? It can effortlessly switch between languages, making it a remarkable companion for global communication. ChatGPT is an art enthusiast too. It can create poetry, design logos, and even write a book. It's not just AI, it's a digital artist. Let's unlock the scientist within. ChatGPT can explain complex scientific concepts, making it an excellent resource for students and curious minds. Where are programmers? ChatGPT can assist in coding, offering solutions, debugging tips, and code generation for multiple languages. Have you ever wanted to train your own AI models? ChatGPT can guide you through the process, making it a valuable tutor for tech enthusiasts. These hidden gems in ChatGPT are just the beginning. Stay tuned for more in-depth revelations and expert insights. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional explorations